in India. There's a certain way I'm seen. I don't want to outsell myself and do a small part in a big show. I have no interest, and I'm not looking for it. I'm not desperate to prove a point in anywhere in the world. I have some of the best movies I'm doing, working with the best talent. The only greed I have is to be able to expand myself as an artist. My upbringing really shaped me as a woman, as a person, because both my parents were super overachievers. I mean, way to set your children up for failure. Both my mom is a double MD, she's an OBGYN and an ENT. My dad was a surgeon, a musician, like a singer. He was also a composer and an artist. He used to paint. And my mom spoke 9 languages, is a licensed pilot. Philosophy behind it, that it didn't define me. And even my father, like my grandmother used to always say, oh my God, she's an actress. Oh my God, she can't even cook. She'll never get married. And my dad was like, yeah, it's okay. I'll send a cook with her wherever she goes. I was like, yeah, daddy.
It's rocking. Yara kabhi ishq to karo. It's rocking. Maro tum ishq pe maro. It's rocking.
What is my sense of normal? That's normal to me. It's normal to me that when I walk out, people know me. That's just how it's always been.
And is that always great? Or is that sometimes claustrophobic?
I think it's the price you pay for what I do. And nobody wants to shoot me. People just want to see me, smile a little, laugh a little, take an autograph, take a picture. And it's fine. I think people are very hypocritical when you turn around and say, I want to be in show business, but I don't want anyone recognizing me. I mean, do theatre if you don't want to be recognized. Don't do movies. I'm fortunate that I've had filmmakers who've written parts for me and come to me and said that only you can do it. And I think that, yes, there is a stereotype which people also keep questioning me, that an actress in her 30s, it should be over and done by now. But you see the actresses that are working today, and why should that happen? If I can deliver a performance or if I can deliver entertainment to you, watch me. What does my age have to do with anything? I've never been able to define myself because I feel like I want to be like water. You put me anywhere, I take the shape of it. So that's who I want to be. Inexplicable. And my biggest dream is to leave behind a legacy. I want the people who have loved me, people who have shown faith in me. Look, I'm a simple girl who came out of army school from Bareilly. I represent each and every one of these people who's sitting here today. Because if I can be sitting here, every one of them can. It's hard for them. And I'm not someone who's been given... I wasn't born with a silver spoon, even though my parents always gave me one. But I worked really hard to be where I am. And I think each one of us deserves to be compensated for it. I've worked with 5 generations of actors. I started with Anil Kapoor and Sunny Deol, and I'm working with Arjun and Ranveer. And it's only because the mindset of people has opened up today, and people want to watch talent. They want to watch actors, and maybe I also, look pretty decent. So I'm easy on the eyes. I think. Add to that, I do not think we should take away from the fact that at the age of 50, these actors can bring in the kind of economics that they do. Don't take away from that because we want to make sure that women also get a part. That is also great in its own way.